In this tutorial, we are going to learn about the upper and lower string methods in Python. Here, we have a string variable called text that contains the text "Welcome to Python Programming." We are using the upper method to convert all the characters in the string to uppercase and the lower method to convert all the characters to lowercase. As you can see, the upper method has converted all the characters to uppercase and the lower method has converted all the characters to lowercase. Let's try another example. Here, we are using the input function to get input from the user and store it in a variable called name. Then we are using the upper and lower methods to convert the name to uppercase and lowercase respectively. Finally, we are printing out a greeting using the formatted string. As you can see, the upper method has converted the name to all uppercase letters and the lower method has converted the name to all lowercase letters. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Happy coding!